recording.
Estamos en vivo, papi. Estamos en vivo.
He said, tell mom I made it. I got the engine man.
Talk about
Day in the life. Let's see if you really trap.
Fair enough. Looking at us. We could get the going again. I'm gonna catch you up on this actual cover. This is where we at. One step closer. So we back at it. So we got the front radiator support out. We got this whole harness off. Fuel rail off. Now I'm taking off the throttle body so I have access to the alternator. It's very time consuming. I don't know bore you out with all this. I'm gonna end up cutting it out anyway. So this probably isn't good. But this started disconnecting AC lines and woo. Anyways, this shit on. Good morning, y'all. It's early. We're back at it. I got high hopes for today, bruh. So the setup changed a little bit. That didn't have a wheel. Now it does. Now the car's kind of like at a seesaw angle because we got it jacked up properly. I don't know what the plan of action. I don't know if I'm gonna pull the engine with the tranny or the engine off the tranny. I'm about to go peek under there type shit. I low-key forgot about y'all, but we got this shit out. That's what I'm saying. So boom, this is what's going on. My mom has never ever been in any one of my cars. I'm not saying my shit's stupid fast neither, but who knows? She doesn't really like fast cars, quick cars. She don't like speeding, so she don't like noises. Let's see how this goes. Wish me luck.
Please don't blast the music. I have a really bad headache.
On a scale of 1 to 10, if you were to rate the headache,
Like it's pounding. Like I'm thinking about not going to work today.
ooh, not going to work. That sounds good.
You don't need the GoPro on right now.
It's for safety.
It's not.
Yeah, it is.
Pérez, por favor, no me deja ansiedad.
What do you mean? I have so
You
much
know
space.
exactly what. I don't care if you feel like you have grace. I don't want to fucking have a heart attack. I'm already 40.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, but that little fucking maneuver that you pulled there with that car close to you, you felt it, but that wasn't a guarantee.
That's a guarantee. I had already calculated that step. Like, you were just late on the wave.
Keisha, but fuck, the woman is back, and I mean,
I'm in town. Party's going down.
Oh, to go, bro!
Where the fuck Matt been at?
I don't know, gang. We all been MIA.
Oh shit, this shit start recording.
Extra. Hello. Getting my weight up, nigga. Hold on.
He said, tell mom I made it. I got the engine man.
Talk about.
Alright, get off, Pyro.
Yo,
You're
Jay.
a worm.
Bro, you're a worm. Get out.
Tell Pyro go.
Go to the store?
Yo, Pyro, go to the store, nigga.
Store running.
Go to the store. My shit, yo. He really twirling out here.
Only type of exercise I've seen a fat nigga do, bro.
Ever.
We leave that fucking bike.
Never.
We got the welder over here. You already know.
Niggas already certified. Hello.
We outside for the 4th.
track car, SRT,
That's not in no track car. That's an SRT though, nigga.
Speeding there, right for my hand on my coochie.
Yo, what's that go? I'm about to light this shit up. Ain't not here again.
Do a donut. Do a donut. Do a donut in this little ass. She's slow as hell. You mean a burnout? A burnout? She said do a donut. So, we thought it was just us. Turns out, Pyro didn't fucking follow him. Let me know.
Just like that. Don't ever trust a nigga, bruh. Come on, man.
So we decided to open the John. What the fuck? That bitch just jumped out. Like,
little nigga about to pop out the cut.
That nigga Z Rose is mad as hell. I look at him, I'm like, oh, this ugly motherfucker. I'm like, move the fuck out the way, pussy. What I gonna do?
Peep though. This nigga like, I got a spark, I got a misfire. Look how he found the coil pad. Shit was like,
Oh yeah.
it jumped out.
that shit's chopping, man.
So I got new spark plugs, so we chilling.
What's going on, Jeffrey?
Them long ass coil pad. How the fuck y'all be doing that?
It sounded like that though, like that cluttering.
Yeah, the whole ride home. Click, 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 click,
That
click.
shit cooked the fucking threads on the spark plug though. I ain't gonna lie.
Who's a cutie? Sit. Come on. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Alright, whatever. Don't give me a hug then.